Hey, I don't think I've seen you around here before. Are you new?
Yeah, I am. I just moved here from another school.
Oh, cool. Welcome to Lincoln High. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Lucas from California.
Where did you move from?
I moved from Chicago. My dad got a new job here in California.
Wow, that's a big change. How do you like the school so far?
It seems nice. I don't really know anyone yet.
Don't worry. People here are really friendly. I can show you around if you want.
That would be awesome. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Which grade are you in?
10th grade.
That's my grade too. Looks like we might have some classes together.
That's great. I'm glad I met you.
The bell is about to ring. Want to walk to class together?
Sure, lead the way.
Hey, glad we ended up in the same class. This is 10B, right?
Yeah, 10B. I was a little worried about sitting alone.
Don't worry, you'll make friends quickly. Everyone here is pretty nice.
That's good to hear. I'm still trying to remember everyone's names.
I can help. I'll introduce you to some classmates after the lesson.
Thanks, Layla. That would really help.
So, what's your favorite subject in school?
I like science the most. I enjoy experiments. What about you?
I love English and history. Reading stories and learning about the past is so interesting.
Cool. Maybe we can study together sometime.
Definitely. We can help each other with homework and projects.
Sounds great. I think I'm going to like this school after all.
Me too. And don't worry, I've got your back if you ever feel lost.
Thanks, Layla. You're a great friend already.
All right, Class 10B, we have a new student joining us today. Everyone, please welcome Lucas.
Welcome, Lucas.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I just transferred from another school.
Lucas, why don't you tell the class a little about yourself?
Sure. I moved here from Chicago. I like science and reading. I hope to make some friends here.
Welcome, Lucas.
Hey, Lucas. I like science too. Maybe we can work on a project together sometime.
Yeah, welcome. I hope you like our school.
Excellent. I see you're already making friends. Don't worry, you'll fit right in. Thanks a lot. I'm glad to be here with you. All right, everyone, let's get started with today's lesson.
Hey, Lucas. Over here. Come sit with me.
Thanks, Leela. It's my first lunch here. Still figuring out where to sit.
Don't worry, you're not alone. I saved you a spot.
Thanks. The cafeteria is huge. So many students.
Yeah, it can be a little overwhelming at first. What did you get for lunch?
Just a sandwich and some word bases.
I got a wrap and some juice. I grabbed a salad and a smoothie. Gotta stay healthy.
Yeah, I should try to eat healthier too.
So how's your first day going so far? Getting used to 10B?
It's better than I expected. Everyone's really friendly and you helped a lot in class.
I'm glad. You'll fit in quickly. Don't worry.
Thanks, Emma. I think I might actually enjoy this school.
You will. And if you ever need help finding your way or with homework, just ask me. Deal. That was fun. I hope lunch wasn't too crowded for you.
Not at all. Actually, I really enjoyed it. Thanks for saving me a spot.
No problem. So what's next on your schedule?
I have math next, and I heard the teacher can be a bit strict.
Don't worry, you'll do fine. I can show you a few tricks to keep up with the lessons.
That would be awesome. I don't want to get lost in the first week.
Don't worry, I've got your back. Hey, do you want to walk together to the next class?
Yeah, that would be great.
Cool! Oh, and maybe later we can check out the library or the club signups.
That sounds fun. I'd like to see what clubs are available.
Awesome! Let's head to math first, then we can plan.
Thanks, Emma. You're making my first day way easier.
That's what friends are for. Here we are, the club signups. There are so many options.
Wow, look at all these clubs. I don't even know where to start.
Don't worry, I'll show you. So, what are you interested in? Definitely science club. I love experiments and robotics. Perfect! That's one of the most popular clubs. I'll help you fill out the form. Thanks. What about you, Emma? Which club are you signing up for? I'm joining the drama club. We have rehearsals and performances after school. Drama? That sounds fun. I've never tried acting before. You should come watch sometime. It's really entertaining and you might enjoy it.
Maybe I will. After I join science club, of course.
Deal. And who knows? Maybe one day the science club will do a school showcase.
That would be amazing. I can't wait to start.
Awesome. Let's finish signing up so we can explore the other clubs too.
Sounds good. Thanks for guiding me, Emma.
Anytime. You'll fit right in here. That's it. You're officially signed up for the science club.
That feels great. I'm actually excited to start.
You should join. The science club does really cool experiments.
Sounds fun. When did they meet?
Mostly after school on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Perfect. I'm really looking forward to it.
I knew you'd like it. The teacher who runs the club is really nice too.
That's good to hear. I was a little nervous about joining.
Don't worry, everyone there is friendly. You'll make new friends quickly.
Thanks, Emma. You've helped me a lot today.
Anytime. So, how do you feel about your first day at school now?
Honestly, it turned out way better than I expected.
I'm glad. Tomorrow will be even easier for you.
I hope so. I'm actually excited to come back.
That's the spirit.
Looks like the school day is finally over.
Yeah, it went by really fast. So, what do you think about your first full day?
Honestly, it was great. I was nervous this morning, but everything turned out really well.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks again for helping me today, Emma. I don't think it would have been this easy without you.
You're welcome, Lucas. I'm happy I could help.
Are you taking the bus or getting picked up?
My mom is picking me up. What about you?
I'm taking the school bus. I think it stops right over there.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah. So, I guess I'll see you tomorrow?
Of course. We have math first period, remember?
Oh, right. Don't let me forget my homework.
Don't worry, I'll remind you.
Thanks. See you tomorrow, Emma.
See you tomorrow, Lucas. Have a safe ride home.
You too.
Bye.
So, Emma, how was your day at school today?
It was really good, actually. Something interesting happened.
Oh? Tell me about it.
We have a new student in our class. His name is Lucas. He just transferred from another school.
That sounds nice. Did he like the school?
He was really nervous at first, but I helped him find his classes and introduced him to some students.
That was very kind of you, Emma. Making someone feel welcome is important.
Yeah, he seemed really happy. We even had lunch together in the cafeteria.
Oh, really? What is he like?
He's friendly and a little shy, but he loves science and wants to join the science club.
Sounds like a smart boy.
He already signed up for the science club today. I signed up for drama club like last year.
That's wonderful. I'm proud of you for helping him.
Thanks, Mom. I think he's gonna like our school.
I'm sure he will, especially if he has a good friend like you.
Yeah, today was a really nice day.
I'm glad to hear that, sweetheart. Here we are, sweetie. Welcome home.
Thanks, Mom. That was such a fun school day.
That's wonderful, Emma. You really helped him feel welcome.
I think he's gonna like it here a lot. And I signed up for the drama club too.
Oh, that's exciting. You're going to have so much fun.
Yeah, I can't wait to go to the first rehearsal.
All right, why don't you put your backpack away, wash your hands, and get ready for a snack?
I want to tell Dal about my day too.
Sounds perfect.
Don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Hub.
Yes, to follow all the fun stories for learning English.
See you again. Bye.